You've spent years building a massive library of English rules in your brain. You're a professional collector of irregular verbs. You've got lists, flashcards, and enough grammar textbooks to start a small fire. You feel like an English genius until bam, a real human walks up to you and says something as simple as, "What you doing tonight?" Suddenly, your brain reboots like an old Windows PC. Your palms get sweaty. You know the words, but they're coming at you like a swarm of angry bees. You think, wait, was that even English? Did they just speak in code? Here is the cold, hard truth. You aren't bad at English. You're just a victim of subtitles addiction. Most learners treat English like a math equation to be solved with their eyes. But English isn't a series of silent symbols. It's a living, breathing melody. When you watch movies with subtitles, your brain is actually playing a trick on you. It's taking the easy way out. Your eyes are doing 99% of the work, while your ears are in the back of the room, taking a nap and eating popcorn. You think you're listening, but you're really just a fast reader. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah graduated top of her class in English. She knew the difference between the present perfect and the past continuous better than most natives. Then she went to a coffee shop in London. The barista mumbled, "For here or to go." Sarah froze. She looked at him like he was an alien from Mars. Why? Because there was no subtitle floating in the air to save her. Sarah had trained for a silent movie, but life is a loud, messy Broadway show. Learning English through books is like trying to learn how to swim by reading a 500-page manual about water. You can memorize the physics of a stroke, but the moment you jump into the pool, you're going to sink. You need to get wet. You need to let the sound hit you. So, how do we wake up your lazy ears? Welcome to the Ear Boot Camp. Step 1, the deep dive. Find a clip of someone speaking naturally. Turn the subtitles off. Throw the dictionary out the window. Just listen. It will feel like noise. You will feel lost. That's okay. You're teaching your brain that it can't rely on your eyes anymore. Step 2, the vibe check. Listen to that same clip again, but don't try to catch the nouns or verbs. Listen to the music. Where does the voice go up? Where does it get quiet? Where do the words smash together? English is a dance of rhythm, not a list of blocks. Step 3, the detective phase. Now and only now, look at the script. See those sounds you missed? That's your brain finally connecting the noise to the meaning. Remember, babies don't learn to speak by reading grammar for infants. They listen to their parents' gibberish for an entire year before they even say the word mama. They trust the sound first. You don't need 5 hours of study. You need 15 minutes of subtitle-free chaos every day. Stop being a reader. Start being a listener. Your ears are the doorway to fluency. It's time to open the door. If you're tired of freezing up and ready to actually hear the world, give this a like and stick around for more. Your ears will thank you later.
Great job today. Keep up the good work and help you and your family learn English better in every lesson. If you'd like to relax or take a nap tonight, listen to our 365 Cozy Sleep stories and follow our 365 Life channel. Learn English while relaxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.